In this video tutorial, we want to see how to use the new Zebra BI charts and tables made available in the December 2019 update. So click on more visuals and from the App Store. Okay, so in the App Store, all we need to do is to search for Zebra. Okay, and we click on the search button. So we're going to see the charts and the tables. So these are the charts and the tables. So all we need to do is to add them to our visualizations, which of course I've done. So this is my BI charts and Zebra BI tables. So let's quickly build a report and see one of the things about the charts. So I'm going to expand this. Let me just expand this. Now this is my okay, I'm going to click on the charts. All right, so I'm going to drag my sum of amount into the value areas. Okay, and of course I'm going to drag my account manager into the category and the products into the group. So we have all this here. Now we can see all these amazing charts. Wonderful. We have this column charts for each of the products, condiments, and so on and so forth. This is absolutely cool. Now let's say I actually want to see this particular visualization. All I need to do is to click on the chart title. Then we can see it here nicely laid out. Cool. Now we can see this indicators. Okay, let's use this bigger one. Now we have a positive movement from this section, that Preston Sanom to Stephen Charles. So the percentage is actually 94.1%. Now when I click on this first time, I'm going to have the value itself. So the difference between this and this is actually 22.7k. So when I click on it the second time, I'm going to see the value and the percentage. Okay, so this actually gives us more insights into our data. So, and of course we can always change the views. So in the next view we have the line charts, and of course in the third view we have the area chart, we have this thin looking column chart, and of course we have the waterfall. So this is absolutely amazing. So let me just quickly switch over to Zebra BI tables, and of course we're going to see now. So we have this bar chart. So when I click change this view, so we have the table itself. These are wonderful. You can actually make a lot of decisions with this. Now let's quickly go back to the column chart and let's come to the formatting and talk about one or two things here. So in the formatting, of course, you can always play around. For example, if you want the grand total, then I turn it on here. So we're going to see the grand total. Okay, now this is the grand total for this chart, and this is the grand total for this. That is how it works. And of course when we change the chart, we can also see, okay, we don't have the grand total here, so it applies to the column chart. Now let's just play around. Let's assume we want to actually, of course, want to align the title to the center. So we click on center alignment, and of course we're going to see now sum of amount by product, account manager, and of course you can always turn it off. Now let's see this group title. You can always play around with all these. They are cool. Actually, of course you can always turn off your data labels. So you turn it off or you turn it on, and you can always reposition them depending on what works for you or what you like. So you can actually change the font color, and of course you can change the unit from none to maybe 1,000 to millions or whatever, or even percentage depending on what you want. So I'm going to leave it in the auto, and of course you can change the density. Let's quickly come to okay, and of course this category, you can play around with it. Okay, I want to actually talk about this design. Okay, now in the design we have styles drop down. So by default you have the zebra. So let's assume you want the zebra light. You can change it, so you're going to see the impact, just a slight difference. So this is a very light zebra visualization, and of course you can change it to Dr. eChart. Now, some of these features are only available if you use the license. Okay, I have 1 month license, which I appreciate and grateful for. Okay, so we have this, Dr. eChart, and of course you can always change them to, let's say, colorblind. So when you select the colorblind, you have an option. So can you see we have this? And now let's scroll down, and you can even turn off the light and web overlap, and of course you can play around with the interaction. Let's say you actually want to turn off the chart slider, then you can turn it off, and when you turn it off, of course you can see that we can actually, okay, so when I click on this, it moves, so you can turn off the slider and so on and so forth. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you and bye for now.